Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and if you're a computer fan, you're probably also a fan of cool keyboards, because this is the Hyper Clack tactical mechanical keyboard from Think Geek. Is the iconic retro style color scheme from Hyperkin. Mechanical keyboard, PC compatible via wired USB, customizable with Cherry MX compatible keycaps, case, accent light can be turned off and on via FN plus F12, and Geode blue tactical switches or something like that. Feel every letter, every step taken and every macro pressed. So this is a keyboard intended for gaming, they say, and also for writing. Ooh, so you have the multimedia keys over here. That's actually pretty cool that they give a scheme on how to do them. And I put the box the wrong way, so we're going. Oh no, there's already a button. Oh no. Wow, these buttons are pretty loose. Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. This is a braided USB cable. Cable management. Woo! So there are feet on the back, as you can see. Wow. Haha! There's even an Internet Explorer shortkey. Oh my word. A calculator shortkey, music play and pause. The color scheme on this, pretty nice. So the key travel on this keyboard is pretty nice, and the clicking sound, it's just amazing. Look at how fast it types. So it's a retro styled keyboard, and I think it's mainly for Windows computers because all the shortkeys over here don't really work on a Mac. I'm assuming you can do it via settings or something, but it doesn't work on my Mac. It works better on Windows, like for example the num link doesn't work, but the shift key, caps lock key stuff thing works. The light works, but the num dock doesn't work because it's probably not recognized on Mac or something. So all the other shortkeys, they do different things, as you can see. On a Mac, for example, that does something different than going back, and yeah. Of course, I did not tell you this, but this also has a strip of light, as you can see. You can see that a little bit. It's an LED, a purple LED light. Let's see if there is backlighting on this thing. I don't know, actually. Ooh, that looks nice. As you can see it well right now. Ooh. That just looks cool. And the clicking thing over here. I don't really know a lot about keyboards, but in my opinion, this keyboard looks fantastic and it feels fantastic as well with these keys. This sounds like a real typewriter from back in the days when I was younger. No, I never used a typewriter when I was younger. But it's just very nice, and the keyboard works perfectly fine on Windows, although you have less possibilities to make changes to the keys on a Mac compared to Windows. I'm assuming this is more for typing. I don't know if it's a good keyboard for gaming because the keys are very high in my opinion. But yeah, they press pretty well. So the arrow pad, or what's it called over here, is a bit small in my opinion. So for gaming, if you use this, it's going to be a bit difficult. But overall, this is very cool. It's retro styled and it's from Hyperkin. It would look very cool in a gaming setup in my opinion. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, it works perfectly fine. It's not that pricey as well. It's a very cool gadget to have on your desk, if you ask me. You can even let the cable run through here. or you can change it and let it run through here as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, this is the Hyperkin mechanical keyboard. If you have any questions regarding this keyboard, let them know in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos in the future. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.